just enter pro right there. Wait, is that Wumbo up there?
Wait, maybe it's gonna take a long time. I already know
What
it.
is Wumbo doing? Why is Wumbo up there?
Yo.
Wait, is that, yeah?
You say you're the biggest animal?
Yeah, I'm the biggest animal and you're the lowest animal. You missed.
No, I won't.
Yes, yes, more. Is he trying to kill me, bro, or like? I'm the immortal demon, bro. What are you thinking? Yo, what are you thinking?
I don't know if I'm using a shield. Everyone have an axe.
I'm the immortal demon, bro.
How do you detect? Oh,
Come, bro, go. Yes, lava. You're cooked. Chai's cooked. Say thank you. Alright, never mind. You didn't say thank you. Come back here. Oh my god. Yo.
why are you using a shield? I'm not even ready to use a shield stun.
Wait, what was that?
Yo.
Yo, Wumbo, let's talk, alright? I didn't stare overdose, alright? Let's talk. Let's talk. Yeah, Wumbo, let's talk. Wumbo, can we please talk? Wumbo, let's talk.
What?
Okay, so. Yeah. What? Okay, now let's talk. So. Why are you trying to kill me? Why are you betraying me? Cinder
Because you're the biggest animal.
No, you're the biggest animal. And why do I? Wait, pause. Wait.
What?
Swear to God. Wait, swear to God. I swear to God. Oh my God. Stop running. Okay. So now. So I'll give you an opportunity. Guys, he's feathered. Why are you using your axe? You don't have a sword? Bro, oh my god. Just waste your breath. Oh my god. Wumbo! Oh my god. Where's Wumbo? Holy. Wumbo, let's talk about this. I have a spear. You cannot defeat me.
I'm behind you. Wait, you just made a lava generator. Oh my god, bro.
How did I miss?
Oh my, bro.
What? Yo, I'm just trying to kill. Yo, Parrot is trying to kill me, and I'm freaking Duck, bro. I'm Ducky, bro. What are you trying to do, bro? I'm the immortal animal. Try. Now you're gapping, huh? Yeah, you cannot gap in this server. The server is only for PvP. Alright, where is my favorite? Where's my favorite
I
drink?
keep making my big shot.
Bro.
Oh my god.
Yo, guys, Parrot suck. Oh my god, never mind. Parrot does not suck. Well, I will suck instead. Yo, I wonder how I do so much damage because I'm the immortal animal, bro. You're not the immortal animal. I'm the immortal animal. I popped your charm. Oh, I forgot you have fire resistance. I know you're low. Should we just pop it instantly? My choker? Okay.
I got it. I got the choker, bro.
No. Guys, this is not possible. How did he get my choker? He's bad at the... Okay, what? Oh my god. You're kidding me.
No, I'm using your choker.
No, bro. No.
Yep, thank you.
Oh my god. You missed. Come down. Okay. Oh my, that was so good. Pro clutch. I'm falling to the void. Ferrix. Oh my god. Ah! I'm dying to the void. Ferrix. Oh my god. I'm dying to the void. Ferrix. Oh my god. Ferrix Pool. I got an idea. We're so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my, that was so close. Please land. It doesn't land. Yes, that definitely lands. Yes. Oh my god. I'm running.
How do you even go in?
Ferrix Pool. Holy. Bro, Ferrix Pool, bro. Yes, his tone popped. I heard it. Please, bro.
Why are you using an adventure?
Please. Oh. So.
But why are you using an adventure?
I'm good. Yes, I won! Chat, I won.
It was actually so rigged for that game.